How to poke someone on Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Facebook application and then go to your search bar. After that, simply search for poke. Now go to this pokes. Wait for it to load. So poking basically means you are telling or reminding your friend that you are thinking of them, or it's just for fun. There is nothing, but they will just receive a notification that you poked them. Now in order to poke, all your friends will appear over here. Simply tap on this poke button and now your friend will be poked. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll get you in the next one.